What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC doing an unboxing of a Team Corrali Sketer 4S. Let's see what it got on there. Starting on the outside of the box, it got the, you can see it, 16mm big bore aluminum shock absorbers. You have aluminum shock towers. You have these supposed to be a stronger diffs on this truck, but we'll see. You got a front and rear bumper with integrated skid plates. You also got a 2150 kV motor and 120 amp ESC, with a digital servo. Take this boy out the box so I can see. This is my first time looking at it. I didn't look at it beforehand. This is my first time. Y'all gonna see it at the exact same time I see it. All right, here go the controller, 2.4 gigahertz. Let's see what we got for operations up here. All right, we got your steering trim, throttle trim, steering dual rate. Okay, let's see what else we got. Normal steering, reverse steering. Come with your basic trim. Your basic trims. Feels pretty good in the hand. Oh wow, I can do one-handed driving with this. Okay. All right, what else we got in the box? We got the quick start user's guide, and you have a remote, the controller guide. Also, you get the antenna, plastic antenna, bond plug. What is this back here? Okay, let's pull the truck out. I gotta see how this thing looks. Oh shoot, let's see how the body looks. I don't know if I like the body too much, but we check out the body. Okay, the body looks really good. I didn't know it looked that good. Guess seeing it in person is a little different than seeing it online and on the box. I should have put it on my ramp. Oh yeah, the body looks real good. Seeing it in person is totally different. It has tethers on the body, so you don't have to worry about losing your pins, which I like. I lose pins like there's no tomorrow. Tires. Oh wow, I can't see these balloon too much. They feel real good. You got a thick bumper on there. Nice thick bumper. Belted. These tires belted? I need to look that up. They feel like they may be belted. I don't know. No, they're not belted. This truck looks very good. I like that. I can add something to this. I wonder if I can get some lights up in there. That'd be a little hard though. There's a light bar up there, but I'll put the lights inside of this part if I can. But I would hate to mess that up. This body's pretty strong, pretty solid body. Let's check under the hood. Got the foam to protect the body. You Won't smash the body in when you flip over. Have a center brace. Oh wow, it has a center brace, and it has 2 more additional braces, front and back. You got front and back braces. You got a center brace. Oh yeah, I like how they did this. Definitely a nice improvement. Got the power button right there. What is these connectors called again? Yeah, of course, XT90s. Got the XT90 plugs. You got there, got 120 amp ESC, 4S capable. Got the 2150 kV motor, Team Corrali brand. This thing is real bulky. It's very durable. I don't know, Max, you might have competition. Shocks ain't bad at all. Let's see if you can compete with the Max. This car is real thick. The arms are thick. The shock towers are thick. This is a very well put together vehicle. Team Corrali. I do love Team Corrali cars. They got the sway bar front and back. Adjustable body mounts. Adjustable tower, shock towers. This is a work of art right here. Team Corrali. Wow. Let's take a look underneath the chassis. Wow. I like this truck a lot. This is gonna be one of my favorites. Just like the Max. Max is one of my favorite bashers. Got a servo, metal servo arm. This is like that's a Team Corrali truck. The Sketer. I just got this off. Got this from Discount Hobbies Superstore. Give a big shout out to them and a big shout out to Adam that hooked me up with this truck. Cause I didn't even know he had it till I went there and I had to get it. Now this thing got good handling. Got some punch to it. Can't pull off a wheelie because the ground's too low. Today. My first impression, love this truck already. This thing is a beast. I don't know, the Max may have major competition right here. Wow, awesome. Team Corrali comes up with another hit. This is Phillyswords. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.